There are 11 standard dimension types: scenario, year, period, view, consolidation, data source, currency, entity, account, movement, and intercompany. You can create a maximum of 4 custom dimensions based on your application needs. If your application is enabled with the multi-gap reporting option, you can only create 3 custom dimensions. Preceded members are included in system dimensions and start with FCCS. You cannot rename or remove these preceded members. You cannot change the member property or the built-in member formula. However, you can change the alias. As you go through the application creation wizard, you will set up the calendar dimensions of year, period, and view. The currency dimension is made up of input currencies, reporting currencies, entity currency, and parent currency. The consolidation dimension is the consolidation path for each entity. Data is entered, translated, proportioned, eliminated, and contributed to its parent. The data source dimension is the way to track the source of data so that you can see different types of data throughout the organizational structure. Examples are eliminations and data entered via journals. The account dimension has a lot of seeded members within the balance sheet, income statement, and ratios. You can augment these seeded members with accounts specific to your business. All balance sheet accounts have a time balance property or flow. The movement dimension is used for opening balance, closing balance, cash flow, current period movement, FX, and CTA. A benefit of the hierarchy and the properties that can be assigned to members is there is no need to create additional cash flow rules. Multi-gap dimension is one of the custom dimensions used to track different types of gap reporting. IFRS is pre-built and you can augment it with any other statutory requirements that you need. The entity dimension is where you create your organizational structures such as legal, functional, and geographic. You also flag those entities that can be intercompany partners. In this application, a custom dimension is being used for product. However, you can use custom dimensions for whatever suits your business requirements. There are different ways to manage metadata, and you can use either the editor or Smart View. You can also import and export online using text or CSV files. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.